Walang technicality. The Constitution does not really allow your company, of which you are a worker of that company. You are a Filipino who has allowed to abuse our country. And you are an active participant of that. Yan ang mahirap. In the name of the Holy Grail of press freedom.
Thank
Yan
you.
ang totoo talaga yan.
Thank you, Pia. Next question, Ms. Rose Novenario.
Sumobra kayo. Pati ako, you're not only throwing toilet paper, you're throwing shit at us.
Ay, sir, good evening
Sumobra
po.
kayo. Talaga.
Sir, good evening po.
Yung amo mo, anong kaso niya? Why do you do research about people? Why don't you research about your own company you're working with? It's known to be a group of companies, Lopez, before. They borrowed billions from itong bangko na DBP. They never paid. You know what happened at the end of the day? It was condoned by the powers because they are the elite. Yan ang ano. Dapat kayo ang kalaban ng mga komunista, hindi kami. Inquirer. How long did you hang on to that goddamn Mylong? 50 years. Nag-expire na lang, they were continue collecting the rentals there when it was no longer theirs, money of the people. Tapos, ang sabi, poverty, sulat, it's poverty. Kayo nga ang nakawan dyan. It's not a question of press freedom. It's a question of abuse and protection by the elite of this country to hold the power. It's about time that kayong mga mayaman, putang ina, huminto kayo, kakaabuso ninyo. Ginagamit na yung media eh. Pag nagpamakalin niyo kayo mga inquiry, yung pala mga magnanakaw kayo.